He invites Mike Erhmantraut to a quiet diner for what seems like a polite conversation. Hector even apologizes for Tuco's behavior, calling his nephew a hothead who still has a lot to learn about respect. But Mike knows this isn't a friendly meeting. It's a business deal. Tuco is facing 8 years in prison, and Hector wants that sentence reduced. His solution? He asks Mike to lie to the police. Hector wants Mike to claim that the gun found on Tuco actually belonged to Mike. Since Mike is a former police officer, the story would appear more believable, making it easier for Tuco to receive a lighter sentence. Then comes the bribe. Hector calmly slides an envelope across the table. Inside is $5,000.
According to Hector, it's payment for 2 things: getting Tuco to apologize and helping fix the legal problem. But Mike isn't impressed. He doesn't touch the money. He doesn't make any promises. Instead, he quietly studies Hector, knowing that accepting this deal would drag him much deeper into the Salamanca family's dangerous world. The conversation ends without an answer. Hector walks away, leaving the cash behind, and leaving Mike with a choice that could change everything. What would you do in Mike's position? Take the money or walk away?